Hold on tight, we're about to dive into the world of extreme forestry machinery. These giants of the industry make quick work of tough jobs. Prepare to be amazed. Oh man, lesson learned. Respect those load limits. Push a machine too far, and you're just asking for disaster. This could have been so much worse. I'd never risk it after seeing this. Wow, pure genius. The Rayco RG80 flips stump removal on its head. With a high-torque engine and precision cutting head, it chews up even the nastiest stumps. Minimal ground mess, max efficiency. This thing is an engineering marvel. Heck yeah, easy life. The Morbark Model 40 Talon shears make stumps and logs up to 40 inches look small. Smooth operation, quick setup, no headaches. More productivity, less hassle. That's how you do it right.
Crack, crack.
Whoa, that's wild. First time I saw a wood splitter on a truck axle, I was blown away. Big logs, no problem. That cone design makes splitting so easy.
Look at that.
Can't wait to see more of this in action. Unreal power. The Morbark 30RXL is a true monster. With an 83-inch chipper disc driven by a 1500 HP Cat engine, it swallows whole trees. Hydraulic feed keeps things flowing, and IQ control gives precision like never before. Talk about cutting-edge tech. Man, that hit hard. Every mistake in this business has a price, sometimes your health. Play it smart or pay the cost. That's just the harsh truth. Wow, pure brilliance. This DIY log splitter with a 1.1 kilowatt motor and custom blade cuts 4 perfect pieces every time. Functional and efficient. I'd trade my old splitter for this any day. Oh boy, efficiency overload. This splitter's robust build and speed mean max output with precision intact. Clean cuts, perfect splits, no wasted time. That's how pros get it done. Whoa, heavy hitter. The Dini Samaf Derate Sea Mulcher weighs up to 4,600 pounds, runs on 21 blades across 57 inches, and takes down trees up to 20 inches thick. Built for excavators in the 60,000, 77,000 pound class. This is heavy-duty work at its finest. Wow, game changer. This custom Firewood processor for Avant loaders makes cutting and splitting effortless. No more back-breaking labor, just smooth, high-quality firewood every time. Honestly, this is the kind of machine that spoils you forever. Whoa, beast mode. The Komatsu 931XC with its 255 HP engine and rotating cab delivers pure performance. With the C44 head, it handles tough terrain and still maximizes yield while protecting trees. Man, this is forestry done right. Oh man, smooth and strong. This bandsaw packs over 14 kilowatts of power, giving clean wood finishes and top-notch safety. The only trade-offs? It's loud and makes a ton of sawdust. Still, that cutting power is crazy impressive. Boom. Physics win. Who needs a bulldozer when you've got a car and some rope? This stump didn't stand a chance. I swear, this is backyard engineering at its best.
Undermining it like the whole thing on top of. I've seen a couple videos like that where...
Wow, straight out of a movie. Taking down a massive stump on California's slopes feels like an action scene. Once the roots are handled, the stump is gone for good. No lie, that's seriously satisfying to watch. Whoa, hidden genius. This homemade splitter with a concealed blade slices through softwood like butter. Fewer moving parts means less maintenance and more durability. I'd take this over store-bought any day. Man, pure DIY brilliance. Watching this custom splitter in action is just awesome. Smart, effective, and downright cool. Tell me you wouldn't want one of these in your garage. Wow, compact but mighty. The TN130D Pro runs a 15 HP diesel with a massive flywheel, chipping wood with serious torque. Strong yet fuel efficient. That's what I call smart power. Oh boy, lightning fast. This kinetic splitter handles logs up to 3 feet long faster than hydraulics. Not great for seasoned wood, but for simple tasks, it's unbeatable. Efficiency like this just makes sense. Whoa, snow monster. The 650 tractor hauls timber in icy terrain like a champ. With a tough engine and big tires, it keeps rolling even on slippery slopes. Props to the driver, that takes real skill. Wow, slick and safe. This Firewood splitter design isn't just cool to look at, it's built for safety. The short stroke mechanism keeps everything controlled, cutting risk while keeping output high. Honestly, every splitter should be built this way. Oh man, danger alert. Mixing ladders and chainsaws is asking for trouble. One slip and it could mean serious injury. Please, don't try this at home.
Yeah, it can be stuff you can't. Now I just want to kill it.
Oh man, danger alert. Mixing ladders and chainsaws is asking for trouble. One slip and it could mean serious injury. Please don't try this at home. Boom, stump killer. The Bandit SG75 packs a 74 HP Kohler diesel and super sweet tech to keep it running smooth. Adjustable wheels make it versatile anywhere. This is how you grind stumps like a pro. Wow, pure tradition. Winters in Maine are brutal, but the fall woodcutting tradition is magical. The sound of saws, the smell of pine, and nights by the fire. Man, this makes me want to grab an axe and join in. Respect. Absolute respect. Truckers aren't just drivers. Sharp awareness, quick thinking, problem solving, they keep the supply chain alive. Salute to every trucker out there. You guys are legends. Whoa, unstoppable power. The MDL Power-Up 37-ton Mega Split Pro smashes through big logs with a two-way and four-way head. Safety, efficiency, and muscle in one. This splitter doesn't play around. Wow, game changer. The Ponce Wisent GoPro with 8-wheel drive is pure traction and stability. Add an ergonomic cab and you've got productivity and comfort all day long. If I had this, I'd never leave the seat. And that concludes our exciting journey. We hope that through our shared insights, your passion for forestry has been ignited and somewhat fulfilled. See you in the next videos.